because my phone is in the car, my camera is in the car, but this is the progress so far. In comes the bed. And we're over in the kitchen. Little celebratory drink for later. Okay, so I've pretty much got through all of the clothes, apart from some coats that I need to sort, but I am actually working with, so I am, together with eBlogs, going to sell some of my old clothes, eBloggers, sorry. So they've sent me these bags, and I'm just loading up some old clothes into these. As you can see, got those in the mail, or got the bags in the mail. They labelled them up for me, and basically they just come and collect them, and what you guys are then able to do is to shop my wardrobe online. So I will probably, when I get the link, leave it to my eBlogger site so that you can shop my wardrobe, but it will have some nice items of clothing that I just don't wear anymore. So like these blue skinny jeans, this mustard handbag, these flared black jeans from, gosh, they are from Pull & Bear, barely worn. This skirt from Zara. This is also a pencil skirt from H&M. This skirt is also from H&M. It's just like a camo military style. This skirt is from Zara a little while ago. What else have we got here? Got this kind of like this, it's like a, now I bought it online as a dress, but it only fits me as a top, so it's like this kind of khaki coloured shirt. We've got some nice, lots of workwear in here, because I don't really dress up for work anymore, because my workplace is business casual. Like my workplace is here at the moment. But got this really nice, this is a great interview dress actually, from H&M I believe. No, Zara actually. So it's like off the shoulder, so really good for summer, but still if you want to dress up, it's decent for that. This other dress from Zara, which has kind of got like a mock neck, shorter sleeves. It comes like just about knee level. I've got another dress from Zara. You guys will probably have seen these on my channel, worn them a few times. This is from the Trafaloop collection. Items will hopefully be ironed when you get them, if you do choose to purchase. I've got this skirt, which I've never worn, it's just from H&M. I don't know if it's raw leather, it might be pleather. And finally, this skirt from H&M also. It's just like a nice wraparound. So I will leave my e-bloggers link down below so you can shop my wardrobe. But yeah, I'm gonna put these guys into this bag. And they are ready for collection. So I just need to do one final round to pick up my beddings, because currently and my TV, my laptops all left in my car because my neighbours blocked me in. So we had to basically come with the Mister's car. But yeah, pretty much all done for the day. We even snuck in a cheeky Burger King from Deliveroo. And what else did we do? We did quite a lot of organising. The living room is pretty much done. This is a bit of an eyesore. Let me put this in the side drawer. But yeah, we've got quite a bit done. So tonight it will just be about hoovering, mopping the floors, cleaning the surfaces, doing a bit of washing up, and yeah, getting settled in for the night. So nothing glam. Probably will vlog a bit tomorrow, so I don't want to end things here, but thank you for joining me for day one. We go again tomorrow. But maybe what I'll probably do is give you a quick sneak peek of the living room once we've got the TV and stuff in as well, just so you can see how it's shaping up. But anyway, he's taking a nap, must be nice. So I'm gonna do some hoovering while I wait for us to head back to get my car. Okay guys, I thought I'd just show you some progress. We are all unpacked, bedside table set up. In fact, I don't think I'll put that there. If we do like that, yeah, that's nice. Beds all laid, cupboard is full. These paintings need to go up at some point. The bathroom is ready for action. Did like a food shop as well earlier, so a few more bits than when I last vlogged. And the kitchen is fully functional, as is my wine rack. Look at that. Right, Aldi, £3.99 per bottle for these reds, so get involved. Got Shiraz, Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot and a Malbec and a Pinot Grigio. So we're good to go. It's movie night, if we can connect to the internet. And then these boxes need to go to the desk, get working space. Good morning everybody and happy Sunday. Welcome to the second part of the vlog where I'm looking somewhat more presentable. It's a really hot day today, so I've just skin all day. But anyway, I just wanted to give you guys an update on how we got on moving the stuff in and getting settled. I'd like to do a quick memory card switch, but anyway, let's do a little tour of the living area. Sun is properly out right now. But yeah, we've got the plant over here. Got a man over there. The sofa's properly in. Sorry, I had to pause because I didn't want to get copyrighted, but yeah, the sofa is in. The cushions need a clean, so I'm gonna guys, if you have IKEA sofa with like the removable covers, let me know. Can you put it in the washing machine and then can you put it in the dryer, or do they have to like hang out to dry naturally? I don't know, let me know. But yeah, the mirror ended up being over here, so I guess I could do my outfit of the days from here. That should be fine. I still have a box of books that I need to get a shelf for. So for now, I actually might just shove them in there. The TV is here, so I need to buy a TV stand. I also need to get internet connection, so I'm trying to sort that out at the moment. And then this is the desk area. still trying to figure out where the Prada sign's gonna go, but I think it's gonna go like, it will either go there above the sofa, or we'll keep it centered so that if you walk in you just see it straight away. So I'm still trying to get a vibe for it. This is the desk area. I took the white arm covers off the chair because they were just getting a bit ratty. And then this is the kitchen. This is how we ended up. So I did a quick shopping run last night from Aldi. So I got a few bits. I need to do some washing up, please ignore that. But yeah, ended up having this as the, probably like the chopping area slash wine rack area, because I wanted that to be seen in the background of the videos. Then we've got the tea station over here. That iron isn't meant to be there. Somebody just brought it in here. Got my bananas over here, microwave. And then I went with this as the sort of seasonings, baking, like tin goods cupboard. I went with this one as a sort of breakfast tea cupboard. This one is going to be the plates, cups when I get some more. What else I've got? Oh, this one is the sweet cupboard. Bit empty, which is good. That one's empty. Don't know what we'll put down here, but this one was like the plastic containers and like plastic bags and rice, and then obviously cleaning products and stuff down here. Got a lot of Method cleaning products actually. Anywho, and then in the fridge, which is looking a little bit less empty but still very pathetic. Don't know what I'm gonna fill this up with. So that's the fridge. And then I'll just show you the bathroom. Just looking like ice. Got some nice hand wash as well from Aldi, which is like Molten Brown remake. And then my products over there. Some more over here. And then more bits in there. And then bath products over here and towel over here. I'll show you the bedroom in a second, but that's kind of how like the main living spaces have shaped up. Had a really good night's sleep despite not having curtains in, so I had to put my eye mask on. But yeah, we're just heading out to get some food. I'm gonna make some pancakes for breakfast, so watch this space. Blueberry pancakes, and then we're gonna get some bacon, and then I need to get things like a mop bucket, an ironing board, what else, dish rack, like just little house bits. So yeah, I'm gonna go shopping and maybe take you guys with me, maybe vlog on my phone, because I don't think I want to bring this out. So this is the bedroom at the moment. I'm thinking at some point I'm just gonna get a matching one of these for the other side, just because symmetry. So yeah, same setup as I had before. Yeah, and then I've got obviously all my books, took my perfumes out as well, so they're there. My Oscar. And yeah, that's kind of how things are looking. Just want to give you another look at the balcony. So we're all settled. But yeah, let's head out now because the day's getting on. It's already 11. Woke up at 9. Try to maintain it, but when you get here it's suddenly wasted. Oh baby. Ways close off the vlog quickly by showing 2 new purchases. I'm gonna have to take this out, aren't I? Okay, so I got this ironing board from Asda Living. Got polka dots on it. And then this, it's like a, what do they call it? It's a microfiber spray mop. So you push that lever there and then it sprays water out from in here or whatever you've got in there. So I picked up those 2. Then this spin, as well as these tumblers and a new mug, which looks like I can't remember what else, but yeah, that was everything. So now I'm just editing the vlog. So there you go, there's your future selves. Well, probably more that clip. And then hopefully we'll get out for you guys by 7. So if you're not already, subscribe, give the video a like, comment down below and let me know what you would like to see next in terms of moving vlogs. I'm thinking I'll probably do like another one when some other stuff from Amazon comes. TV stand, paintings going up on the wall, etc. So thanks for watching, happy Sunday, and I'll see you on Tuesday for another digital marketing video. I don't know what the topic's going to be yet, but I'll give you like a day's warning. Bye.